Welcome. If you want to get iPhone keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A10, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Click on the search pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. We are going to use this application. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it. It's from the Arvin Apps developer. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Right now let's open. Click to enable in the settings. Tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times. Then you can just go back and click to switch input methods. Tap on English United States Green Apple Keyboard and tap Finish. As you can see right now, we can finally use our new theme of the keyboard, and it looks very close to the iOS. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.